Good morning, y'all. It's Hollywood Studios Day. I'm so excited. So Star Wars is like a whole queue thing. If you don't know about it, look it up. Supposedly it's very hard to get into this queue. You have to be like up early to get into the queue. It opens at like 7 a.m. and we got in. I don't know if y'all saw that. Did y'all see that? There's, look at the little, whatever his name is. I don't know. But, I mean, I'm not like a super huge like Star Wars fan, but I mean, it's been around forever. Everybody knows about it. I'm excited to be a part of this ride. So, yay. But, it's early. But we're going to get ready because the park opens at 9 a.m. Might as well be there from open to close. Get your whole money's worth. So yeah, I guess we'll transition on to being in the park. I don't know how this is going, y'all, but we'll make it work. See y'all at the park. So we made it. I'm very, very, very excited. Y'all, it's been a morning. So we got on the Star Wars ride and, or we got in the queue, and it ended up coming up sooner than later. So we had to rush here. I left water. I left a lot of things that I planned leaving. I didn't get my thumbnail done. So much didn't happen. But I'm gonna try to make the best of it and just continue the rest of the day strong, and I don't know, we'll see what the day brings. All right, so we are heading now to the Mickey's Runaway Railway ride. I mean, we've ridden a lot of the rides around here, so we just thought after the Star Wars thing, we would do this one next because, you know, this is another new one that we haven't gotten on yet. So let's do this first and then see what time permits for everything else. But, y'all, there's a lot of people here, y'all. But it's in the old Chinese theater. I can't remember what used to be in this theater or what ride used to be here, but... So, y'all, we're in line, and the way these lines are wrapped. When I say wrapped in all kind of patterns. I don't even know, but it is what it is. Wrapped, y'all. Wrapped. It's ridiculous. More line. Still in line. Aw, she's dressed like Winnie the Pooh. Y'all, this line, it just winds and twirls, and yeah, there's a lot of people here, y'all. I don't know about this capacity thing. Feels like it's at full capacity. Still in line, y'all. Nice and shady here, though. Y'all, we might have made it all the way up there. Woo. We're here. This is pretty cool at the Chinese Museum area. Look at that. Little Kathy Lee. Pretty. The last time we came here it was closed because they were putting together this ride. So yeah. This is so cute. I'm so excited. More lines, of course. But let's go inside. That's cute. I'm so excited for this ride. Hey. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, we don't get the pre-show. Normally this ride, there's like a screening and then this like opens up. It's really cool. You'll have to check it out on YouTube. But, oh well. Still kind of cool. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It looks like a cartoon for real. Oh, more lines. That's so cool though. Yeah. Oh, this is so fun. I'm starting to like muster up my energy. The energy I normally have. So I'm really, really excited. Yay! This is so cool. So excited. So, y'all, I have no words. Like I'm like really excited right now. Like, real one. This is so cute. These cars are like magnetic, so they eventually break apart, and it's like really cool. So cool! Look at it. We're about to get on. Here's our car. Ooh, we're in the front. All right. Oh, it's so pretty.
Ride around the park?
Yes.
Hi, folks! Hello there! How you doing? Hey, making me up? Sure, you can look here one thing. Work, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Rapids. I see them. Holy moly. Holy moly.
So nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions.
Something's gonna go wrong.
So cool. Oh, the Mickey. That was fun. I like that better than Star Wars. Nobody can tell me anything. But I don't know what we're doing next, but we're gonna figure it out. Ooh, I need to take a picture. So let's go do that. Aw, Doc McStuffin. Alright y'all, so we are off to Toy Story Land to see what's going on over there. Toy Story Land.
There's a snake in my boot, but that's not going to stop me from welcoming all you new toys to Andy's backyard.
The line for Slinky Dog is insane. Alright y'all, so just breaking away for a second. The person I came with is in line for a ride for us, but y'all, I don't know how to describe this experience, to be honest. From my past experiences, the whole mask thing is rough, slightly rough, being outdoors wearing a mask, and then just the lines are extremely long. There's no fast pass options, and usually we were really good about like getting our fast passes and doing all that stuff and coming back later, but that's not an option. So I don't know, I don't feel like I'm giving y'all a good experience, but I mean, I'm having fun. It's just, it's a little rough, I don't know. But I'm about to get something to drink because again, I left all of my water and everything at the hotel. I did not throw anything in my bag because we were rushed earlier today, but I'm gonna go grab something to drink. And I saw that they had like some sort of pineapple coconut slushy. It's not Dole Whip, but it's close enough and I'm gonna try it. So we're gonna get that and then just stand in line for another ride. Disney is fun, y'all, I promise. It's just, I don't know. I don't think I'm doing a good job, but y'all let me know. Yeah.
Howard, is that call? It's okay? Is that 30 ounce cup?
Yes. Thank
okay?
you.
You're all set, my
Can I have a flower?
Awesome. Thank you.
$4.79.
Woo. Star Wars. Whole different vibe. So we are back in the Star Wars area, just to kind of do some rides that we didn't get to ride. Earlier we just came for that one that we had a queue for, but we're back to do some more. Lines are shorter, a little different, so let's just see. It's really cool out here though. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's so elaborate. So elaborate. It's pretty cool. This little area we're walking up on is like an eatery, which is pretty neat. I am.
What's your YouTube channel?
Look how elaborate this is. There we go. Little girl in the yellow is my new friend. She wanted to know my channel name. How cute is that? This is pretty neat. It's like a bazaar. How cool is this?
Defect officers. Use only designated communication channels.
This is so cool. We found Chewy. There he is. Working in the shop. The main area. We rushed through here when we first came in, so I didn't get much of it, but it's kind of cool. Like a little street. Shopping. Y'all, I am on the hunt to find some ears. So, let's see what we can find. Now these type of ears I'm not quite interested in, but they're really cute for little boys. Y'all, Thanos. Y'all remember when my TV was blue? Crazy stuff. Oh, that's cool. Avengers. Look at baby Groot. These are so cute. So adorable. A lot of Star Wars merch in this store. It's not really like a general Disney store, so I'll try a different store. They do have the cutest Baby Yoda stuff though. How cute is that? Oh, so cute. Oh, look at that. I am so into these Spirit jerseys. Little trinkets and pens. These are cute. I never really got into the pens. They're fun though. Oh, these ears or headband. I don't know if this is ears, considered ears, but very elaborate. Next time I come, I'm gonna go to a fancy restaurant. All these buildings over here, I think, are like really nice restaurants or something. But oh, here's another shop that might have ears. Store looks like it has a line, but I'm gonna hop in it because it seems kind of short. All right, regular Disney gear. Ears! Coming for you. Excuse me. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. Snow White, maybe? Ooh, y'all. I don't know if these are them, though. So pretty. And then these are pretty. I don't know. These, Daisy. Oh, so many. Oh, it's like a headband. Ooh, that is so me, y'all. A headband. Headband ears. Absolutely. Yes. I don't know. Ooh, Mulan. Ariel. These are really pretty. Slinky Dog ones. I don't know. These are really funny. They're just like Mickey hands. And then these are like a hard casing. And they light up. Y'all, I don't know. I just don't know. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at those. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, the plushies. They're so cute. So cute. Look at this Yoda. Very old Yoda. These are pretty. Some special edition ones. What is it? 40th anniversary with Make-A-Wish. Those are nice. How do you make a spirit into a plushie? That is how. Oh, look at these. So cute. You say cat. Funny. More shopping. Ooh, oh, those are the same ones. I thought these were something different, but they're not. The Slinky Dog ears are cute. Are these really considered ears, though? Holy amazing luggage, y'all. I know it's expensive. So cute, though. What is it? What is it? What is it? $200. No, ma'am. So cute, though. Ooh, spirit jerseys for the dog. And socks. Cute. Aw, a real chip. How cute is that? How pretty is this? This is so pretty. Cups, 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 cups. Mine is better though. Mine is way better. Hey. Ears! Ooh. Those are pretty. Ooh, leather ears. These are kind of fire. Leather ears. Oh, this is why I can never decide. These are leather too. Oh man. Ears. So, these are kind of the same ones. Oh, these are so pretty though. Those are pretty. Ooh, I didn't see these at the other place. These are like Christmassy though. They've got snowflakes on them. They should be clearance. What are you talking about? $32. Oh, this is cute. This is a really good ride. So I really like those. Baby Yoda. Those are cute. What are these? Oh, these are cute. I don't know what that is for though. Very cute. I don't know. Still haven't decided. Balloons.
Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
More shopping. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute too. Everything in here is cute. Ooh, it's plushy too. Oh my god, y'all, this blanket. This looks amazing. So nice. Disney menswear. Place to come. Get your dad shirts. Get them while they're hot. Their wall of ears. Y'all, I just can't decide. Ooh, I didn't see these. These are cute. Very whimsical and pretty and colorful. These purple ones are really nice though. I just really don't know. I really like these gold ones. The silver is pretty though too. I'm gravitating towards the green ones because they're really pretty and I'll be here for my birthday. But these leather ones are so fire. This is why I never end up picking, y'all, because there are way too many options. These are pretty. Ah. I just don't know. These are so nice, y'all. So nice. I just don't know. I don't know. These are cute. But then there's these. Like, how do you do? How do you choose? Them item that you don't know what it's for. Like, what is this for? Like, what do you do with this? But I bet you it's like 20 bucks. Hub of standard ears. I just don't know. I can't pick, y'all. I really can't pick. It's so pretty on the shelf, though. Like, this display makes me want to buy these. And these. But really these, because these are oh, y'all. I don't know. I might have found them. These are nice. They're a little gold, a little silver, and they have a castle. Y'all, I might have found my ears. What do y'all think? Like, I think I'm going to sit on it. But then once I leave here, I hope the other park that we go to has these. I really like these, y'all. This is hard. This is really hard, but I really like these. They have all the little elements, colors, a little bit of Disney. Oh, I think we're going to the register. Y'all, I think we did it. We got ears. I'm so excited. They're perfect. They're just everything. So I'm really, really excited. Yes. Well, even the sky is happy today. How cute is that? It's turned into adventures of watching sky riding. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's like Jessica. Aw, that would be sweet. I still don't know. Oh, Jess. Smile, Jess. I think he's done. Oh, no. He's doing more. Is that more? What is that? There's two. Oh, I'm so confused. So is it... Oh, it might be. Look at that. I'm so invested. What else? What else? What else? The rock and roller coaster that I will never get on because I just don't do roller coasters. So the verdict is that it says Jesus loves. It's kind of faded here, but he's almost done. Looks so good. I love it. Never. Never. So y'all, this is the Indiana Jones Lake area, y'all. The first time I came here, we saw this show, and it is amazing. Sadly, it is closed, but I think it's closed. There's people going back there, though. Oh, it's a relaxation station. Okay, that makes sense. But this little stunt show is amazing. It's so fun. But, I mean, I guess this is nice to make it a relaxation station. I don't know. But no performances, sadly. But it is what it is. If you ever come and they're back to doing performances, please see it because it's really good. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm ending it here. This is cute. This should be a thumbnail. I might have to take a picture here. But we're going to end this. This was fun. It was different. I'm just trying to figure out how to film here in Disney. But it was kind of a try. Y'all already know how I go when it comes to filming. I do it how I want to, and if you guys enjoy it, you watch it. If not, then you don't. And it is what it is. We'll get where we're going, most definitely. But this was fun. Hollywood Studios, it started out rough. Hopefully, Epcot is a little more smoother, a little bit better. I don't know. I mean, it's a learning process trying to figure out how to film here. But I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for the next day. What, Epcot? I don't know. Epcot is fun. Epcot is interesting. So we'll see how that goes. As always, I love you guys very much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.